market?
Yeah, all of the same. And as you know, Jeffrey, before the 20 years I spent as a journalist, I spent 11 years as a financial markets trader as well. And I'm still in touch with a lot of people who are still involved in the markets and trying to work out just what they do at the moment. Now, let me remind people, you trade on three things. One, what your existing position is. And I'll just let this ambulance pass me. One, what your existing position is. Two, what you know about the economy and the underlying market fundamentals. And three, what you think is going to happen next. Now, of course, you know what your position is. You know what has happened so far and the information you've got, but you have really zero information about what happens next. And I think therein lies the problem for everybody trying to invest rather than trade. And I think there is a very important distinction between investment, where perhaps you can take a 3, 5, 7 year time frame that many of our asset manager guests try to take, and trading, where quite frankly the daily oscillations are still absolutely enormous. I think anyone who thinks they are trying to find a bottom in the market with full and complete knowledge at the moment, it's a fool's game as well, because as we heard from Jamie Dimon, as we hear from many of the experts as well, we just don't know the ramifications of either of these crises. And I have been at pains over the last 4 weeks that I've been on the road to just say that there are two crises going on. One will be overcome, we hope, in the next 12 to 18 months at worst. The second crisis could be with us for many years, and it is not too extreme to draw parallels with some of the greatest crises we've seen, 1929 onwards to the 30s, after the Second World War, and of course the great financial crisis. Back to you.
Terrific, Steve. Thank you very much indeed. I think that's incredibly helpful. FOMO vs the unknown. That's ultimately what you're saying here. And